Navigating Dry Dock Success, a comprehensive look at our process. Welcome to Dry Dock Logistics Process Video, where maritime excellence meets precision planning. The journey of dry dock logistics began in 2003 with the idea of managing material embarkation timelines and priorities. Over the years, we have collaborated with local authorities and shipyards worldwide to establish protocols and procedures, mitigating delays and streamlining cargo processes. This has not only saved our customers millions of dollars, but has also ensured more efficient dry dock operations for the past 2 decades. Each dry dock operation receives a customized plan tailored to its unique requirements. It all starts with meticulous project planning for every dry dock. Our team of experts leave no detail unchecked. Pre-planning is of utmost importance. We work closely with our customers right from the beginning, delving into project specifics, identifying special needs, and anticipating potential complications to construct a strategic plan. The journey commences with an initial meeting where we discuss the vessel's unique requirements and expectations. Subsequently, we hold bi-weekly meetings to keep everyone synchronized, ensuring smooth project progress. We also engage with area managers and special project managers to delve deeper into the details and address any logistical concerns, optimizing efficiency by understanding overlapping timelines. Yard experience at Dry Dock Logistics is gained from years of collaboration. Dry Dock Logistics, in collaboration with the customer's project team, develops logistics drawings such as gangway locations, special loading platforms, and unique vessel access points. We work closely with the shipyard, presenting these plans for final approval to both management and the attending vessel's captain. Following approval, the yard develops what is known as the docking plans, including crane layouts to maximize crane usage and reduce costs. The heart of our operations, the DDL Next app, captures the initial project build. As we receive your essential data, we initiate the project build in our DDL Next app, importing purchase orders provided by the customer. Within our software, DDL Next app, we establish cutoff times for contractors to submit their loading priority lists. Contractors can also generate their own DDL Next app labels, complete with unique QR codes, simplifying the process for requesting daily loading from the origin. Cutting-edge technology lies at the core of our operations. The right team size is critical. We deploy the perfect crew for each project. Once the project finishes the planning phase, the Dry Dock Logistics team is deployed on-site at the shipyard, executing plans that have been laid out over the course of months or even years for larger projects. Utilizing our unique approach, our DDL team members employ the DDL Next software to initiate the receiving process at the yard and manage loading requests while tracking cargo and equipment used in the project. Clear and effective communication is our backbone. We keep everyone informed. During our pre-staging and pre-dry dock phases, our warehouse and ground teams provide daily progress reports. Once dry dock operations commence, these reports transition into daily operation reports, including comprehensive KPI reports and graphs that provide real-time updates on cargo status, loading progress, cost overviews, and more. This software was the vision of our CEO, who has always played a crucial role in developing a unique program to navigate the intricacies of the dry dock world. Reverse logistics is as important as the very beginning. Our team collaborates with vessel freight forwarders to establish deadlines and implement reverse logistics procedures. We've developed unique barcodes to track all cargo being returned to contractors. Since the inception of our software, delays and losses of contractors' tools and leftover materials are a thing of the past. It's now a seamless 360-degree operation from start to finish. This is the process you'll experience when partnering with us. Since 2003, Dry Dock Logistics has been a pioneering force in this industry. Our professional team members undergo rigorous vetting, bringing valuable experience from various fields, including yard management, freight forwarding, and related areas. We are committed to continuously improving our team's training and proprietary software. Our passion and determination drive us to ensure each project surpasses the last. With over 450 dry docks worldwide since 2003 and countless positive reviews from industry executives and contractors, our commitment to your project shines through every time. Accuracy, technology, and logistical expertise make Dry Dock Logistics the clear choice. Trust Dry Dock Logistics with your next dry dock project.